Okay, now let us discuss some more terms which is related with this topic and which is related with the tabulation of the grouped and ungrouped data. So see, here we have one more term, that is variate and variable. In standard 6 and 5 also you have discussed during discussion of the algebra chapter that when we have any character which is capable of taking several different values, any character which is capable of taking several different values is called a variable. Okay, suppose if I'm writing x, see, sometime in linear equation we are taking x as a number, we are taking x as the age of some person, we are taking x as the price of some article. So x has so many images. X you can take as a number, x you can take as a integer, x as you can take as a age of the person, x you can take as the number of fruits. तो x को हम अपने अकॉर्डिंग कुछ भी मान लेते हैं. तो x का कोई एक फिक्स वैल्यू नहीं है, ठीक है, इसका एक फिक्स इमेज नहीं है. तो x is said to be the variable. In same way y, a, b, m, n, they all are the variables. Okay. Then the next term is class interval. Class interval. Each group in a raw data into which it condenses is called class interval. Okay, see, right, when we are making the group in group distribution table, we are making the group like this: 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 10, 20 to 30. ठीक है, तो ऐसा जब हम बनाएंगे बेटा, तो ये जो 0 to 10 है, ये क्या है? एक इंटरवल है. 0 to 10 is a class interval, 10 to 20 is another class interval, 20 to 30 is the another class interval. Okay, और इसको हम class limits भी बोल सकते हैं. Each class is bounded by two figure which is said to be the class limit. So this 0 and 10 are class limit of this interval. 10 to 20 is the class limit of this interval, and 20 to 30 is the class limit of this interval. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you what is the meaning of class interval. Now the next topic is class boundaries or true upper and true lower limits. Class boundaries, या फिर आप इसको बोलिए ट्रू अपर लिमिट एंड ट्रू लोअर लिमिट. तो देखो बेटा, जब हमारा टेबल एक्सक्लूसिव फॉर्म में है, ठीक है, तो एक्सक्लूसिव फॉर्म में है तो वो 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 10 to 30 ऐसा ही होगा. तो इसके जो अपर लिमिट्स हैं वो ट्रू अपर लिमिट्स ही कहलाते हैं. ओके, ट्रू अपर लिमिट्स. और इसके जो लोअर लिमिट है दे आर ट्रू लोअर लिमिट. ओके, when we have the group in exclusive form, all the upper limit of that in the class intervals are said to be true upper limit, and all the lower limits are said to be the true lower limit. But if we have the group in the inclusive forms, ठीक है, when we have it in the inclusive form, तो inclusive form में जब होंगे like this 0 to 10, 11 to 20 and 21 to 30 and 31 to 40, at that time this upper limits you cannot take as true upper limits. Okay, So to find the true upper limit, at first you have to convert this into the exclusive form. And I have explained you that how to convert it in exclusive form. We will subtract 0.5 from all the lower limits and we will add 0.5 in all the upper limits. So when you will subtract 0.5 here, you will get minus 0.5. When you will add here 10.5, then 10.5 to 20.5, 20.5 to 30.5. Now these upper limits are said to be the true upper limit and these lower limits are said to be the true lower limits. Okay, means अगर exclusive form में है तो जो उसका upper limit है वही true limit होगा, जो उसका lower limit है वही true lower limit होगा. बट अगर inclusive form में है तो आप उसको पहले exclusive में convert करेंगे. एक्सक्लूसिव में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम हर एक लोअर लिमिट को 0.5, हर एक लोअर लिमिट में 0.5 माइनस करेंगे, हर एक अपर लिमिट में 0.5 प्लस करेंगे और कन्वर्ट करने के बाद जो उनका अपर लिमिट आएगा दैट इज ट्रू अपर लिमिट और जो लोअर लिमिट आएगा दैट इज ट्रू अपर लिमिट. ओके, देन द नेक्स्ट टर्म इज क्लास साइज. क्लास size. See now, sometime we are taking 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. कभी कभी हम 0 से 5, 5 से 10, 10 से 15 ऐसा भी ले सकते हैं. कभी कभी हम 0 से 20, 20 से 40, 40 से 60 भी ले सकते हैं. ये हमारे जरूरत के अनुसार है. तो बेटा ये जो हम डिफरेंस लेंगे 5, 5 का या 10, 10 का, दिस इज सेड टू बी द क्लास साइज ऑफ द क्लास इंटरवल. सो क्लास साइज यू कैन गेट by subtracting the lower limit from upper limit. Okay, like here class size is 10 minus 0, 10. Here the class size is 5 minus 0, 5. Here the class size is 20 minus 0, 20. Like this. Then the next term is class mark. Class mark. See, the average of the upper limit and lower limit of a class interval is said to be its class mark. Like if I have 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So if I want to find the average of these two limits, then it will be 0 plus 10 by 2, 5. If I want to find the average of this, it will be 10 plus 20 by 2. That is 30 by 2, 15. If I want to find the average here, it will be 20 plus 30 by 2, that is 25. Okay, so you can find the class mark by sorry, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. This is simply the average of upper limit and lower limit. Okay. Then the last we have is range. Okay, the difference between the maximum value and the minimum value of the variate is called the range. आपके डाटा में मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या है और मिनिमम वैल्यू क्या है, उसका जो डिफरेंस होगा दैट इज सेड टू बी इट्स रेंज. So I hope these all terms which is related with the topic grouped and ungrouped data frequency distribution table, this is clear to you all. If you have any confusion, feel free to ask. Thank you.